Molweni grade 4s, welcome to Udale 5. Namhlanje sizokwenza numeric patterns. Nothing serious today, just fun learning. Take your pen, take your notebook and follow along for some fun learning. Right, so this is our first number pattern. Andizucacisa nto, andizuthini. I just want you to look at this number pattern. And then undixelele into yoba ngawaphi la manani ashotayo apha ngezantsi. Ne? Just going to keep quiet for some time. I want you to look at this number pattern and then uzame uzicingela ngokwakho ungaxelelwanga ndim into yoba ngawaphi la manani azongena apha ezantsi kule number pattern. Ne? All I can tell you ngoku is that the number pattern amanani wayo like abala ayehla xa ubala usihla xa ubala usihla. Ne? That's all I can tell you. Ubala usihla. So khawuzicingele ke ngokuba inoba kwenzeka ntoni apha. Have you figured it out yet? Okay. So, itip yam was that apha ubala usihla andithi. So, we use addition apha ne. 1 alikho elinye inani ozomdibanisa nalo apha. So, uzomhlisa 1 ngobunjalo bakhe, ne? Then, nalapha ecaleni 1 uyedwa alikho elinye inani elingapha, ne? So, yamhlisa. Then kwakhe u1 kukho omnye u1. So izoba ngu1 plus lo u1 akunike bani? Akunike lo 2. Then u1 ngapha alikho elinye inani ozomdibanisa nalo. So izophinda nokho ibe bani? Umhlisa ngobunjalo bakhe u1. So basically apha emacaleni soloko ingu1, ne? So nalapha ke ngoku 1 alikho elinye inani elingapha. So uzamhlisa. But ngapha kukho bani? U2. So izoba ngu1 plus 2. That gives you la 3. Then u2 umdibanisa nabani? No1. Ikunike bani? U3. Then 1 alikho elinye inani elingapha ya uzamhlisa ngobunjalo bakhe. Ne? Again ngapha u1 uzamhlisa ngobunjalo bakhe. Then ngapha, because there's no other number ngapha, ne? Then 1 plus 3 is 4. 3 plus 3 is 6. 3 plus 1 is 4. 1 alikho elinye inani. Umhlisa ngobunjalo bakhe 1. Ne? So nalapha there's no other number kwicala siyamhlisa u1. Ne? Then 1 plus 4 gives us ubani? U5. 4 plus 6 will give us u10. 6 plus 4 will give us u10. 4 plus 1 will give us u5. Then alikho elinye inani elingaphaya sizofumana bani? 1. So this is a fun number pattern endiyithandayo ukuyisebenzisa. Ne? Nazi ke ii-numbers zakho. I hope uzifumene right. I hope you got the correct numbers now. And I hope you were able to figure it out. So the numbers zethu ezi. Right, moving on to the second number pattern. Right, so this is the second one. Uyaqaphela lena ino 5, le yokuqala ibino 1, ne? but don't be startled or anything. We do it the same way. Ne? Ukhumbule, we use ubani, we use add, and isibala still sisihla. And eating. So I'm going to give you some time. Uzame ufilisha any empty gaps zakho, and then I will come back with the answers. Okay, now let's look at the answers to this number pattern, or pyramid if you want to call it. Right. 5 plus 5 will give us a 10. 5 plus 10 will give us a 15. 10 plus 5 gives us a 15. 5 plus 15 gives us a 20. 15 plus 15 gives us 30. 15 plus 5 gives us 20. 5 plus 20 gives us 25. 20 plus 30 gives us 50. 30 plus 20 gives us 50. 20 plus 5 gives us 25. 5 plus 25 gives us 30. 25 plus 50 gives us 75. 50 plus 50 gives us 100. 50 plus 25 gives us 75, and then 25 plus 5 gives us 30. Right, so those are the answers to this number pattern. I hope uzifumene right njengoba uzenzela nawe. Let's look at the last one for today, and then we will close off today's lesson. Ne? Okay, so this is the last one for today. And ndizakunika ixesha uzame ukwenza inama pattern yesithathu eyanamhlanje, and then I will give you the answers afterwards. Okay, let's look at the answers. Pattern yethu yesithathu. 10 plus 10 will give us 20. 10 siyamhlisa. And then 10 plus 20 gives us 30. 20 plus 10 30. 10 siyamhlisa. Ngapha 10 siyamhlisa. 10 plus 30 go 40. 30 plus 30 go 60. Belubhalela 60. 30 plus 10 go 40. Siyamhlisa 10. Ne? Siphinde sihlisa 10 wethu. 10 plus 40 go 50. 40 plus 60 go 100. 60 plus 40 go 100. 40 plus 10 go 50. Samhlisa 10 wethu. simhlisana ngapho 10. 10 plus 50 ku-60. 50 plus 100 ku-150. Yebo? 100 plus 100 ku-200. 100 plus 50 ku-150. 50 plus 10 ku-60. Samhlisa u-10. And that brings us to the end of today's lesson. I hope we canile nalesithathu, and I hope you enjoyed this number pattern game. It's sort of a game. Imnandi ndayithanda. I hope nawe uyayithanda. And that is the end of today's lesson. In number patterns siziqale the easy way. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. Ngomso, we are going to do in number patterns, and we are going to do a row and extending number patterns. I also want to touch on flow diagrams ngomso, so bona how it goes. But yes, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.